What's up, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be reacting to a brand new track by ALIP. This track was done 3 days ago, the time when this video is being recorded. Okay, so the track that I'll be reacting to that was done by ALIP here, it's called Wheel on a Bus. 6 song, Baby Shark, Midley freestyle cover. So people, without further ado, let's take a walk into this man's wonderful world of guitar playing. Peace. Play skillfully. This man is so good. The music is literally a tune to your ears, bro. It's like the guitar itself. It is just singing. This man, I never yet heard this man speaks. I do not know if he's in a Spanish country or a English speaking country. But bro, I never heard this man speaks or sing or say not one word. I think he's from Indonesia, but I'm just saying this to say that, bro. His music speaks for him. His guitar playing speaks for him. And trust me, his words are pure. Trust me, bro. Trust me. This is, this is one of the most exquisite guitar skills I've encountered. One of the most profound guitar skills I've encountered. Such a perfection of music. He's a mastermind at this. He's a person who catches the listener's ears. It is so captivatingly good. You have to just sit and just feast upon these beautiful melodious beat, man. Good God, bro. Wow. Whew. Mr. Halip, how? How can you perform such beautiful actions in music, bro? Yo, that's crazy. As a Jamaican, bro, damn, I am loving this. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, subscribe for more Halip Butter, and I'll be glad to give a next reaction to his music, bro. As a matter of fact, you guys, if you guys like this video, please, you can like it. If not, then it's so be it. But I'll have to go back again and to listen to another track of this man and to react it because ain't no freaking way. This man is darn good. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.